So first things first, let's get into the things that you will need to do this manicure. So you're going to need soap, you're going to need some nail tips, you're going to need the little pack where you can do your manicure, you're going to need any oil to put on your cuticles, you're going to need some alcohol or nail polish remover, and of course some glue. Now you can use any glue of your choice. I either like the super glue with the red cap or Kiss Rapid Dry. You're also going to need colors of your choice. Of course, you might want to go with a top coat and a base coat. You can find a 2-in-1 like I did. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is match my nails up. To each finger, go ahead and set them to the side. Make sure you do for both hands and put them on top of each other so you don't lose them. Then go ahead and wash your hands. Of course, you can use any soap that you like to use on this part, but I like to use antibacterial soap so that I can make sure that I'm getting all the grunge and oil off my hand. I want my hands to be bone dry. Now I am going to take the little scrubbing thing that came out of the manicure pack, and I'm just going to scrub my nails to make sure that I get all the oil and all the dirt off of them. Now I'm just going to take some nail polish remover and dip my fingers in just to get any excess glue that I had from the last set or any polish that may have been on my nails that I wasn't able to get off with washing. So I'm just going to go and dip my fingers in the remover. Now I am trimming my nails. Of course, if you already have short nails, you don't need to take this step. But in order for the glue to adhere perfectly, you want to make sure that your own nails are very short. Now, even if you're going to just press on your nails and not do a manicure, the most important step to making these things stick is buffing your own nail bed. So make sure the first thing that you do if you're not going to do a manicure is buff your nail bed. Now I'm just going in and pushing down my cuticles. This is what makes it look really salon technique-ish once you put on your press on to push down your cuticles so that they seamlessly go together. Now, after you do all that on this part, I recommend spraying alcohol. However, at this time, alcohol was scarce, so I had to use my nail polish remover. It pretty much does the same effect. It just dries out your nail bed and makes sure that all the oil is gone. Now just go ahead and apply your nails as desired. When you're applying your press on, make sure you press down for at least 20 seconds with your first batch, just to make sure that you are securing that nail on that nail bed. So once again, when your first time around, when you're applying the nails, just press down at least 20 seconds on each nail. It's a little bit of time consuming, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. It's a must if you want these nails to last a long time. I'm just showing you here that these nails have the little tips at the end, but if you're going to use press-ons that are already polished or come pre-done, they might not have that little piece at the end, but these nails, they did. So I'm going to buff that down. I'm also going to shape it into the shape that I want. I have a baby, so I can't really have those sharp nail ends. It has to be rounded off. So that's what I'm doing here. But once again, this step is optional. That's that 2-in-1 top coat and base coat that I was telling you guys about. You can go ahead and get it separately, but this was much easier. I just only have to use one bottle. But very important that you do apply a base coat before you polish the nail color of choice. Just go ahead over your base coat with your color of choice. Now I do want to add that before you actually apply your base coat, I didn't get video of it, but before you apply your base coat, you do want to go ahead and buff the fake nails. The reason why you want to buff the fake nails is because it's way too waxy. So what's going to happen is your nails are not going to dry. They're going to take a very long time to dry. You need to have it very dull, and you need to have it very rough in order for the polish to adhere and to dry. So once again, just buff those fake nails before you apply your base coat, and that's going to save you a big headache. Trust me, from experience, I know. On this part, you're going to see me drying my nails for a long time because I skipped that step that I just told you guys about. But here's a trick that I'm getting ready to show you guys. If your nails are not drying, what you want to do is get a bowl of ice cold water and dip your hands into them. This is going to dry your nail polish immediately. Like once you stick them in there for, let's say 15 to 20 seconds, they're literally going to be dry. It's like it freezes the polish in place, and it actually really does work. Okay, now after you dry your polish and your color of choice, go ahead and apply that top coat as the last step. If you have the same problem with your top coat not drying, you can go ahead and repeat that ice step. But usually the top coat dries just fine. It's just usually the color that you're picking that has pigment in them that take forever to dry. Now now here's everybody's favorite part, getting that cuticle oil and making your fingers and your nails extra shiny. So just choose any oil of choice and apply it on your cuticles and rub it in. And that's it, ladies. The manicure and your DIY press-on nail set is complete. If you guys like this video, please subscribe, like, and share if you like. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until the next one, peace.